Hey everybody, this is Keith Couch with Rocky Mountain Peterbilt, Rush Truck Center in Greeley, Colorado. Got a nice little day cab heavy haul here for you today. This one just came in. It's a sold unit. It's a 2020 Peterbilt 567 day cab, 20,000 pound steer axle. It's got a 23,000 pound liftable non-steerable pusher axle and 46,000 pound rears. This is full frame, double frame from bumper to tail. Peterbilt Trac Suspension. And this is a 275-inch wheelbase. Repeat, Trac Suspension. It's a 4-bag suspension. Full lockers, full 3-way lockers. Put the full lockers there. 72-inch air slide fifth wheel. And these are on tall rubber 11R 24.5s, Michelin XDS 2s. 11R 24.5s. We got a 275 80R 22.5 pusher axle tire. Get a little bit more ground clearance there. A bit of a walkway back here. Got the pogo stick. We put jump posts back here, so if you have a lowboy trailer that's got a pony motor, you can actually jump off of that to start the pony motor. So that works really well to put those right back there where a guy can get to them. A couple of load lights, LEDs, a couple more bracket mounted load lights. We did the back of cab center mount CB. Dual exhaust. Got a 100-gallon polished fuel tank on this side. It's a 150 on the other side. So we got 250 gallons. Part of what we did to get as much into this as we could, as much fuel into this as we could, is, if you notice, we don't have any batteries on the outside. I'm going to put the DEF tank behind the fuel tank and ran the fuel tank as far forward as we could. Put the fuel tank, the battery box underneath the passenger seat. So that's where the batteries are. You got to use glass AGM batteries. Chrome mirrors, polished stainless steel visor. And we did the toe pin up front. Being a heavy haul, that's kind of a necessity. Give you a good look at it here. We did the platinum interior on this one. I want to show you. Let's take a look at the engine first. Silver and red fire effect. Absolutely beautiful. Cummins X15, 565 horse, 2050 torque. $20,000 steer axle up here. The color combo is excellent. Absolutely love it. There's your turbo side. This truck's basically made to get into, I believe the customer is going to use it in inner city Denver quite a bit. These colors are gorgeous together. Absolutely beautiful. Probably put a chrome deal on that intake. Let's take it inside here. The nice door panels, carpeted floor, got the floor mats down. If you push that button, seat just automatically drops. Got your lumbar and side support. Can't see that very well. Get her all fired up. The Peterbilt Smart Nav. In the 567s, you just don't get quite, can't get all the gauges that you get in a 389. So what we have to do is put them in the Smart Nav. Sorry, it's still firing up. You get all your gauges packed in here. So that's what we kind of have to do, because we just don't have the room in the dash that you do a 389. It's got the smart wheel. It's got your cruise control there. Got all your stereo controls here. Tilt telescope steering. Your air horn here. Got a spotlight over here. And a spotlight over here. Factory installed CB. Automatic climate control. Put that on auto, and then all you do is dial the temperature to where you want it. AM/FM stereo with CD player and Bluetooth. A couple of spare gauges there. Engine brake. We got some spare switches. There's our full lockers. Load lights, etc. That's the underneath of the passenger seat, and that's where the batteries are. So no air ride passenger seat. Got a little pull out for like a laptop or something like that. So I just wanted to run that by you. Absolutely gorgeous truck. And we got our pusher axle pressure right there, gauge. And we can control it right here. So there you have it, 2020 Peterbilt 567, 4-axle heavy haul. Absolutely gorgeous truck, made for getting in tight areas, tight spots. So it's Keith Couch with Rocky Mountain Peterbilt's Rush Truck Center in Greeley, Colorado. 970-691-3877. You can call or text, or you can email me at couchk, C-O-U-C-H-K, at rushenterprises.com. couchk at rushenterprises.com. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it.